Curiosity, strong desire to know or learn something. Glorious, magnificent, splendid. Granite, a very hard gray or pink rock that is used for buildings or monuments. Ruins, what is left after a building, wall, or other structure has fallen to pieces. Method, a way of doing something. Terraced, formed into a flat piece of land by cutting into a hillside. Terraces are often made in hilly areas to create more space for raising crops. Thickets, bushes or small trees growing close together. Thickets. Torrent, a violent rushing stream of water. Torrent.